Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another quick tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can uninstall ImageBurn. Yes, if you currently installed the program from ImageBurn and you've been using it on your computer, and let's say a problem has been happening or it's been crashing unexpected, so you want to uninstall it. Or let's say if you want to download a different program like Power ISO or Ultra ISO Premium or, I don't know, Cyberlink Power to Go, then you understand what the consideration is. But regardless, I'll be showing you how to uninstall this program. So let's go ahead and get started. So at first you just go ahead and go to Start, and you can go to Settings, and then you can go to Apps, and you'll scroll down until you see the file called ImageBurn. From that point you can just click the uninstall, and you'll probably be prompted for this to come up. Now if you don't see it in this list, like it's missing possibly, then you can still probably just a little bit easy route by just going to Start menu, and then look for the file called ImageBurn folder. And here's the file right here, and you can probably click the button to just uninstall it also, and I'll take us to this location. From there you would actually choose it and press uninstall. Now if you somehow just don't see it in this list but it's installed, you could also still go to Start menu and type in Control Panel. I just typed in Control. And you'll come to the selection layout. You'll choose Programs and Features. And here's the same layout that it came out on the other one. And you'll look for the file, and here it is called ImageBurn. You can just pretty much double click it, or you can select the uninstall button. And you'll probably be prompted. Go ahead and press yes. And here's the steps right here of the uninstalling the program. You'll just tell you where it's being uninstalled from, and you'll click the button. And it pretty much completed. It tells you the files have been removed or deleted. And you can close the file, and you should be good. And the program is uninstalled. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.